Hope you all had a great evening. Looks like those call outs turned out pretty good. As in pretty good isn't 100% accurate. We had the buy stops to the blue lines. They all hit. And then I called that 5-minute sell stop, which I'm actually shocked in and how well that did. But good morning to everybody. We're going to get to a whole bunch of things this morning. I'm not live on TikTok yet, but I will be in just a second. Wow. Did those signal indices. No, freaking good. US 30 South. Morning, everybody. Live trading Bitcoin SPY Forex pretty much anything in chart. We got 1,000 different charts. We can trade it. So let's have some fun doing that this morning. 1/2/24. Today is what? Tuesday? Tuesday. Safetytrade.com. Morning, everybody. I'm going to be live on TikTok in just a minute. And here we go. Here we go now. Good morning to everybody. Hope y'all had a blessed evening. From the last time we were on the live, boy, did we make those calls pretty good, didn't we? Please type in a yes if you realize I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a social media influencer and that I sell stuff, clothing and stuff. Have fun with that. All right. Please give me a 7 or a yes saying that. These are my last few trades right here. I believe we're live on TikTok now. TikTok now. I got tapped out of gold. And then US 30, NAS. These are my last few trades. I only have one trade open right now. I believe I can get to it right here. I have a buy on SPX still open. Only trade in this account that's still open. It's a 1.0 lot size, up 156 pips. I realize it's dropping right now, but I'm going to explain to you why I'm holding that. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's do my slow walk. Give me just a second. Okay. All right. Are we live on TikTok? I think so. I don't know how the sound is, but we'll see. Good morning, D Nice. That's interesting. One person? Really? Well, whatever. All right. Let's see what we have going on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Happy New Year's to you guys again. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning. Good. Thank you for being on both, D Nice. Good morning, Rich and Myroscope. Good morning, Joseph Tamburino. Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. Good morning, Fly to the Sky, Flyowski Jan. Good morning, Japan. Good morning, Tanny B. Good morning, John C. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Amy Lou's in the house. Good morning, Dr. Rena. It's a great morning for Dr. Rena and us. God bless you all. Good morning, Michael Simos. Simos, he's going to kill me. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Bob Ooten. Thank you, Bob Ooten. I hope you're having a great trading year already. Good morning, Kent. What's up, Kent? Good morning, Shash. And God bless you, Shash. Good morning, Dennis Snader. Shash always says God bless you. Kamala Duncan, good morning and Happy New Year to you. God bless. I knew it. There's his God bless. Good morning, Ken Louder. All right. I think we're golden. Let me make sure. I'm showing 10 thumbs up. That's not wonderful, but we'll get there. Good morning, Little Joe. Good morning, Q. Good morning, D Nice again. Good morning, Myro Scopico. And good morning, Amy Lou, and thank you for being on both. Okay, let's see something. I'll be right with you. 1.2. So what would 3 kilometers? 1.866. 4 kilometers. Okay. So let's go to 4. All right. Now, good morning, Jay Parker. Yep, let's rock and roll, peeps. All right, we're going to call out some trades like we always do. The only thing I'm going to do first, though, is I wonder if there's any options I can get into this morning. I hope so. All right, let me pull this over here. Let me pull that over there. Boy, have I got some exciting news regarding the signal service coming up. All 3 indices, 1-minute buy stops towards their blue lines. Gee, let's see. Let's go to the 1-minute charts. Let's just see what happened last night. Did they go up to their blue lines? 1-minute blue lines? I don't know. I just don't know if they did. Yeah, they did. So let's take a look in a book. Reading schmooze. And not only did they do the 1-minute blue line, but boy, do they have fun. And they all 3 went up, touched their blue lines on the 1-minute. Reading schmooze. Here it is. There's NAS. There's SPX hitting its blue line. All right. And of course, US 30 traded over its blue line. So we had all 3 indices go up, touch their blue lines, and go over in US 30 case, go up and over on NAS, and do the same thing here. Reading schmooze. So with that in mind, Look at this gorgeous 1 minute sell stop sniper. Anywho, but last night, if anyone happened to watch the show, all three indices were 1 minute buy stop towards the blue line. All three indices hit their blue lines. Then, as weird as it sounded, I wrote in here 5 minute sell stop to US 35 minute blue line. Oddly specific. That was oddly specific. Well, let's go ahead and see if that transpired or not. G. Not only did it hit its 5 minute blue line, see it? Not only did it hit its 5 minute blue line, let's see if US 30 kept on going to its 15 minute blue line. Oh, look, it's not there yet. But did it hit its 5 minute blue line? So just so we're all clear, there it is. There's the touch for it. Boop, biddy doop, da doop, da dee. So there you go. So all three indices to the 1 minute buy stop blue lines. 5 minute sell stop to the US 35 minute blue line. Looks pretty good to me. Let's see if that worked out for NAS. Yep. Let's see if it worked out for SPX. Yep. So now we have 2 out of the 3. My favorite was the 1 hour's 4-hour daily buys. So let's see how those are looking now. We'll have to go to the daily chart to see that. Look at how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Georgie Porgius. Nice. So we're heading there. So currently in some sell stops. I'll go over that in a second. I'm going to go ahead and make my call outs using the MetaTrader 4 platform, but it's very exactly the same as the other. Bob Wooten says, Sydney's baby. Yeah, Bob, coming up. Happy New Year to you, Ken. Good morning, Stefan087. Good morning and Happy New Year to you, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, David McKenzie. What's up, everybody? All right, so just went over Dr. Matt. Call outs from last night. All three indices did go up, hit their blue lines. All three indices did go down to the 5 minute US 30 blue line and then some. And now we're currently working on staying in those 5 minute sells as long as you can. And then we're going to look for a 1 hour, 4 hour daily buy stops. I'm about to make some call outs for everything. So y'all, what's up, Tony? Y'all have some fun. I'm going to switch over to my MetaTrader 4 for the actual calls, just because I like to do them over there. That's all. Exact same charts, but just what I like. So that's what I'm going to do. Just got done doing the rules video for the signals. Holy shit, did it come out fantastic. I'm very, 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 very excited about the signal service upcoming. Extremely so. Extremely excited. Man, there. So I was going through the video, and as I'm doing the rules for the actual, sells and buy stops, sell stops, buy stops, it was just fucking amazing how accurate it was. Oh, just crazy accurate. Good morning, Robel. Just amazing how it was doing. I mean, it may not hold up. I don't know with AIs. But before I get too far into that, let me go ahead and do the call outs, and then I'll go into the signals. First one up, we're going to do U.S. oil. Let's see how she's been doing. Morning, D. Haas. 1 minute US UK oil. Sure is looking like a sell stop, but why? Let me see something. 1 minute sell stop US oil. 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop US oil to the 30-minute blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. US oil. 4-hour daily sell stop. US oil. Weekly buy stop. And that's all I'm going to call for oil. I don't really like how that's on top of that. That one's okay. All right, Amazon. Threw that one in because I actually love Amazon. Been recommending it for a while now, since $91, $90 a share, some shit like that. All right, Amazon. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Amazon. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. Amazon. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. Can't do anything with the daily. They split it and blew up my charts. XRP. 1 minute. Oh, beautiful. Sell stop to the blue. Too late. XRP. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. XRP. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. XRP. Four-hour daily buy stop. XRP. Daily, weekly sell stop to the blue line. XRP. Monthly buy stop. XRP. Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin ride together. Ride or dies, baby. Always going to be the same. Usually Bitcoin leads. Bippity boppity boo. Let's see. Bippity boppity booty boo. Bippity boppity boo. Ethereum. Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum. I don't know how low that'll go. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop towards the 5 minute blue line. I don't think it's going to get that low. Maybe 30, far away, 30, 15 minute, 30. It's going to come down to here is where it's going. So wherever that is on your thing. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop Ethereum to the yellow line on the, you want specifics, to the yellow line on the 1 hour. Then it will hook and come back up again, forming a 1 hour, 4 hour, nope, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily buy stop. But it already did that when I called it last week. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, Ethereum. Monthly buy stop, Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line of it. 1 minute sell stop. Bitcoin, 5 minute, hold on. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Bitcoin, I still like that sell short term though. Yeah, it's too high, too far away. 1 minute sell stop, like I said on Bitcoin. It's going to regroup. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Yeah, it's got to pull back down again a little bit anyways, then it'll hook up again. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop Bitcoin. Daily buy stop, fill in the gap Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. We've been saying monthly buy stop for months now. And it's been from 26,000, you'd be up $20,000 coin, just so you're clear on Bitcoin. GBP, JPY. 1 minute. Sell stop. GBP, JPY. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. GBP, JPY. 30 minute, 1 hour. Sell. 4 hour did. 4-hour sell, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop, 30-minute sell stop to the 4-hour blue line, which I think it's already done for like the 1, 2, 3, 4th or 5th time. Daily, weekly buy stop, GBP, JPY. UDCHF, USD, CHF is completely the opposite of EUR, USD. Whatever I call out for EUR, USD will be the complete opposite. That should be a hint to you guys what to do. Morning, Sydney. What's up, Sid? What's up, Glow? What's up, Mike? 1 minute. EUR, USD. It's too late. Your wait to this had to be a higher sell here somewhere. Probably a 15-minute. Yep, 5-minute sell. 15 to the 15-minute blue line. EUR, USD. Oh, look at that gorgeousness. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell to the 30-minute blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell, 30-minute sell to the maybe 1 hour blue line of EUR, USD. Forming for us a 4-hour daily buy stop back to the blue line again. EUR, USD, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. Been calling that forever. Gold and Demnar Hills. Gold. 1 minute. 1 minute sell, but let me make sure that's a proper call. Gold. Oh, I see. It's going to arch up. Gold, 1 minute. Technically, I think you're going to see a little pullback up to the 5-minute yellow line, then ricochet back down to the blue line. So whatever that is. 1 minute buy, 5-minute sell, let it develop. Gold. 15-minute sell. So maybe a little bit of a 1 minute buy, then look for the 5-minute, 15-minute sell, back down to the 5-minute blue line. Probably the 15-minute gold sell right here to the 15-minute blue line. Then let it rebound and form a 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop gold. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with gold. SPX, which is SPY. SPX, NAS, US 30. Just lost my keyboard. US 30. Whoa, fuck. Hope you guys are in those cells. SPX, nothing you can do. I called this out last night. Either you took it or you didn't. I called it out before it formed based on US 30. Wasn't sure it was going to do it. Look at that. To the 15-minute blue line. Where's our little 2 out of 3 scanner at? NAS to the 15-minute blue line. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stops to the 15-minute blue line of US 30. Boom, baby. NAS, SPX, US 30, 1 minute. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute sell stops to the 15-minute blue line of US 30. Or if you don't like any of those time frames, you can wait for a 1 hour. You can wait for a 4-hour. 4-hour daily buy stop as called. Yep, they all are. So it's going to keep coming down a ways. Again, as called out. There you go. I don't know. Can I get any more specific? This came 100% true. This is coming true before your very eyes. This will come true later on, either probably, I don't know if later today, maybe. It'll happen either between now and 10:30, or it'll happen between 1:30 and 2:30. They always break it on the 4 hours. I'm thinking maybe not. We'll see. Maybe not. We are shooting desperately. Sid is working desperately hard to make sure the interface is working properly. The signals themselves are working perfectly. For the first time in the history of myself, ever, here's a gift for you, SGTM. We don't push shit on here, Chart of Vermont, but thank you, sir. Please don't speak that up again or I'll block you. What's up, BCM? Good morning, Glow. BCM, Dihas, Robel, and Sydney. Sydney is an amazing coder. He has everything up that we need for the signals. For the first time in my life, I'm offering signals after being on TikTok for 2 years and after being on YouTube for over 1.5 years. Amlicarspezia. So Chad, Roy, Vermont, don't you dare bring up another thing here. You say that fucking shit one more time, you're out the door, bro. And I'm going to be as nice as humanly possible saying that. All right, so there you go. There's your call outs. We'll look for any 1-minute sell stops we can find on our indices, see what we can do. Not comfortable with that, though. Let that come up again. How gorgeous. All right. I'm trying to think of anything else with the call outs. Anybody else want me to call out any other symbols? Does anybody else have anything they would like to speak up and say? The rules, Sid, I made for the signal service are spectacular. I just got doing a 21-minute training video on it for the people who buy the signals. It's unbelievable. It's just unbelievable what you'll see. Bitcoin already called it out. Been calling out Bitcoin. Where the hell is my signals at? Hold on. Yeah, we've been calling Bitcoin accurately. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line if you want to know Bitcoin. But we've been calling Bitcoin. Everyone here can tell you. Let's go ahead and have some fun with the new people here who's never seen this before. Everybody, and I did this last night, every one of my students, every one of my members, what is this called and what happens? What is this called? Green, 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 red, green, green. And we've been calling this since May. And it's been every one of my lives. Everyone here can testify. What is this called? This isn't a rhetorical question. Please speak up so that you can show everybody out there how smart you all are. This is monthly candles, or what's called a monthly price action. Every one of those bars is a month. Watch and learn. Good morning, Patrick. Watch and learn how many people know what this is on a monthly Bitcoin. You could have bought in Bitcoin at $26,000. Let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book. Reading Rainbow. I can do anything. What's up, Pat? Happy New Year, sir, my friend. I can trade anything that can be charted on our thing. It's in our book. This is our YouTube channel, and this is people telling you what that trade is. All of our members of any kind of trading at all know what it is. So let's see what they said it was. Back in April, May. Got it right. The blue line seems more powerful on lower time frames. Is that right? Nope, not true at all, Anthony. You're 100% completely wrong. Good morning to you, though, and Happy New Year's. Morning, Amlicarspezia. Let's see. Babu, number one. That's a buy stop. Jay Tucker, buy stop. Techman, take a look. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Anthony, Jason, Jan, Japan, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. A fucking big buy stop, Robel says. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Good morning, Joe Biga. Butt stop, which is a buy stop for Ron. So look, this is everybody on the lives. Everybody, Sayo Hamad, knew and knows what this trade is. Everybody knows that this is a monthly buy stop on Bitcoin. Now, is it too late to get into? Yeah, you kind of should have been in months ago. Yep. There it is. Weekly. Let's see. Yeah. Did we see the little logo? Will there be more opportunities? Of course. Did it do its fill in the gap on a daily? Would I close down at least some of my Bitcoin? I only have about $1,200 of it. I don't carry much Bitcoin. 30-minute. Yeah, it's going to form another buy, it looks like. Let it come down a little bit more before I'd enter that. Yeah. I would put a 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute, 1 hour, 15-minute, 1 hour buy. You see, our 1 hour isn't close enough on our logo. It is on the 30-minute, but I don't like that. I'm not entering that shit. I'll miss the trade. This is just too fucking far away. See where it was closer here or on it here. This needs to pull back to the yellow line. I'm not taking this buy on Bitcoin. Not on any kind of short-term basis, but it is a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Bitcoin. But that's why I'm calling for that 1 minute sell to the blue line. It's just too far away. It's just, you in other words, you miss the run up, let it retrace a little bit, and then get back in. Yes, Tony, it's always powerful. The blue line is the most powerful magnetic blue line. It's magic and it's magnetic. And it really is. It's amazing. Da, 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 da. Good morning, Susie Stealth. Love the name, Susie. Thank you, Susie. I never made you a moderator, so it's interesting who Susie Stealth is. Thumbs up, folks. This channel needs a heart and a cheers button, too. I think they give you hearts, don't they? Thank you, Susie. Some friends listened to me on last August and still holding Bitcoin because the best system coach. Nice, Stefan. That's right. Last April and May and June, July, and August. Congratulations, Stefan. Good morning, Sam. Good morning, Cliffy. Good morning, Paul. Happy New Year's to you, too. Happy New Year's to you, Cliffy. Malachi, good morning. Ciso Nakawani. Ciso. Good morning. I slaughtered your name. I apologize. Thank you for being on both, Malachi. We've already been off and trading. We've already been on a live 2 times yesterday. Susie's AK Blessed Life. Oh, nice. Blessed Life. Susie, I didn't even know if I knew you were. I'm sure Bri did. I might not have known you were a female the whole fucking time last year. I'm so sorry. I'm so glad, though, because we're up to about 10% of our YouTube viewers are female. So I'm thrilled about that. We were at 1% last year, actually. Now we're up to 10%. I'd really like to get our female viewership on YouTube up to at least 50%, if not 60%. Why? To be honest with you, just like Heather, Stevie's wife, my female members seem to listen better, do better. I know it's going to sound mean to the guys, but fuck off. All the guys out there think they can combine my system with other systems, which is the most moronic thing to do. The reality is a standalone system. And the females just listen to what I say and they actually do it. It's like Heather, she bought a dream Jeep, stuff like that. Happy New Year, Sam. Morning, Joanne Soas. What do you think it's going down to, Sister Bambidios? What do I think it's going down to? Well, I'm not taking the trade until Bitcoin goes down to here. So I'm not going to take the trade until Bitcoin goes down to 44,624, preferably 43,500, something like that. So it can go up all at once. I'm not saying it won't go up. Matter of fact, I'm telling you it will go longer, higher time frames. But I'm telling you, I'm not taking a trade on that until it drops down to there. So that's what I'm telling you. We don't think. We have a system, by the way, BDOs. That's how they can all gold 1 minute sell stop up $500. Robel, starting that new year off great. That's why people that are taught my system can read the charts. Again, if you were to listen to me, you'd have been somewhere in about the $26,000 per coin trade on Bitcoin back here in March, April, May. Look, easiest trade: green, 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 red, green, green. Buy, stop, came back, formed our logo, pop up, she blew. Telling you, there'll be more times to get in this. You'll have plenty more times to get in the buy. Plenty. But you can also trade Ethereum. It'll move along the same exact direction. The ride or dies. Bitcoin rises them all. See it? Look at this. Same exact fucking thing. Green, 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 red, green, buy stuff. Same exact formation. Look at it. Look at it and weep. This is your buy stop for Ethereum. Here's your monthly. Here's your buy stop for Bitcoin. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And that's not even using our sniper. The sniper makes it more accurate. Here's your XRP. See, XRP still down here. Green, 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 red. Still hasn't shot up yet. Green, 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 red. The last time it did it. The current time it's doing it. So what do you think? You didn't finish your thoughts. Well, if it was a buy stop in Ethereum on the monthly and it went up, and it was a buy stop on Bitcoin and it went up on the monthly, what the freak do you think it is when it's XRP monthly buy stop? Well, you never. There was some guy last night. What the fuck? Yeah, I did. And if you don't have common sense, I can't help you. There's your answer. Jesus. Now let's take a look at the gold. All right. No, we don't trade with maybes and could be's around here. We trade with Cartman. We trade with authority. Express my authority. 1 minute sell. Easy money. There it is. For gold. That's what he's talking about. It didn't arch up enough for my flavor to do the ricochet off and down, but it is filling in the gap. I'd like it to still come back up and do that properly, but again, we don't play maybe. We play with certainty around here. All right. Any other questions, concerns, or comments? If you don't like my singing, don't stick around. If you don't like how abrasive I am, I don't give two rats' asses. Leave. If you think I'm trying to push something on you, get the hell out of here. I'm about to teach you exactly how to trade. Oh, wait. Do we have any? Okay, stay out of the market from 8:15 to 8:45. Please stay out of the market from 8:15 to 8:45. If you have any profits or you're in any trades, lock in profit. Is there any news today? Fucking loser. The only news I care about is CPI, only because we can make a shit ton of money on those idiots when they move it up and down. FTC, whatever the fuck that is, and NFP. If there's any news like that, let me know. If it's any stupid news about housing in Canada, I can give two rats' ass about. I just want something that's going to move so we can make money on. What's up, Ray Sean? What's shaking, buddy? Where's my newscaster at? Where's what's his face? Remember? He's our new Walter Concrete. Isn't it Ramon? Ores? Who was the fucking newscaster fella? Ah, well. If there's any news, otherwise, fuck it. I told you what it's going to do anyways. Look for the 1 minute sells. If you can find them on US 30 NAS or SPX, or wait for the 1 hour buys. Speaking of that, never have any 1 hour buys. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Malachi. Appreciate it, sir. 4 hour buy stop daily. Yeah, see, no, we're not even close. This is the problem. It's not formed our logo on NAS yet. It needs to come down. No, it hasn't even come close to forming. That's not even in the realm of forming our logo for US 30. And oh shit, it's gonna pop off my SPX. I'm about to take profit on my SPX trade. Boy, is that close, but it's still not close enough. It needs to come back down here on the daily. So, oh well. I'm about to take out my profit. What's up, Obi? Good morning. Good morning, trader. All right, New Year. Have fun. Make a little demo money. Thank you, JSMB. Thank you, Jason. And thank you, Malachi. All right. If there's no news, let's go into some training. S&P news. And I don't give a fuck about that. Thank you, Tony. Fuck the news. Good morning, James Cochran. Got some of that little calls I made last night. Made a little bit of that money. A smart motherfucking man right there. All right. We have the rules. There's only 5 different, quote unquote, slides for the rules. So the rules are for the signals coming up. The signals are for sale. Let me go over to my mighty trading view. Da 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 da. Here we go. Here we go, my friends. Here we go. Da 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 da. Yeah, we're heading towards the US 30 15-minute blue line. There we go. There it is. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop you see for US 30 NAS or SPX until you get to the US 30 15-minute blue line. Then you shall look for a 4-hour daily buy stop in all three indices. That means daily buy stop, 4-hour daily buy stop for US 30, NAS, and SPX. It's going to drop further, in my opinion, at least get closer to the US 30 15-minute mark. Not sure it will, but it should. Na 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 na. So, for the first time in the history of my life, I am going to be offering signals, and I mean, I've been live on TikTok for coming up on 2 years. I've been live on YouTube over a year, almost a year and a half. I have never offered signals ever. I am very leery of doing it only because it's very hard for AI to get my trading style. I have a lot going on in 2 different time frames, speaking of which, I gotta get a peek on that. But I have full confidence in Sydney. Sid is one of our greatest coders. He's amazing. He will see us through to the light. He has made the signals work as perfectly as we can get them to go at this moment in time. So I'm putting them up for sale July 7th. So what exactly is it? There'll be 3 tiers. Tier 1 will be, and hold on 1 second on that. Da 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 da. Have you guys ever try to walk backwards or walk forwards while looking backwards and using the mouse on a treadmill? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Christmas, come on. Wrong thing. Okay, where is where I almost lost me there. Where is my store? Gosh darn it. Well, anywho, hold on. This one, wasn't it? Yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. All right. The signal service coming up on January the 7th. I couldn't be more excited for you guys. I truly believe it's going to help a lot of you be able to spot the trades better. That's the only reason why I'm doing it. For the first time ever, I've been on TikTok, blah, blah, blah. What is signal service? Some of you may know what it means, but some of you may not. This is on the store write-up that will be launched then. My version of a signal service means that I will be emailing, possibly even texting you, possible trades that I personally would look at taking myself. And it's up to you to verify and decide whether or not to take the trade. So if you guys are looking for a signal service that tells you, oh, entry at US 30 at 32,500 and stop loss at 32,100 and take profit 1 at, that's not what this is. That's not what this is. You are responsible for your own actions because all of you are adults. So if that's not what it is, this first set of signals will focus strictly on NAS, SPX, and US 30, specifically the 15-minute and higher time frames for those symbols. So far, the signals have been computerized, back-tested. Sydney can attest to this and sent me the results with a 100% win rate since October 2023 until today. When you follow the rules, and boy, did I do a fantastic job on the rules. So simple, so easy to follow. I made a video on it this morning, 21 minutes. Oh, fantastic. You guys are going to love them. I also went back and hand tested the signals from January 5th, 2023 until today. with a 100% win rate. So the signals I have for sale currently that will be coming up January the 7th, they have a computerized 100% win rate since October, tick by tick clear, so he doesn't fuck around. And then I hand tested them. Every time it occurred, the setup that is programmed into our little AI, every time I hand tested them and you follow the rules, you win 100% of the time. But guess what, peeps? Past performance does not equal future performance. Say that louder. Past performance does not equal future performance. One more time. Past performance does not equal future performance. Just because we have a 100% win rate means shit. Forex is Forex. God is God. God can have it do whatever it wants to do. But I can tell you that it has passed my test to be at least put out there. If I didn't think these were going to win way more times than we're going to lose, I would never put my name on these signal service. Never. Why am I offering this service? Now, that's a good question. I never was willing to in the past. And in fact, I may change my mind and stop offering it if I don't think it's going as planned. But I just want all of you to be able to make a little money while learning my system. I figured if you make a few bucks off my signals while learning to make the calls yourself, I see that as a really good thing. Keep reading here. You must be, in order to qualify, you must be paid up with the safety trade system to be eligible for the signals. And you must be paid up with the sniper add-on to be eligible for the signals. The reason being is because the only way you can take the signals is you have to verify the signals. The only way you can verify signals, you have the system, you have the sniper. That's the reason. Okay? If you have both those things going and active, tier 1 of the signals, per month, $150, you get 0 to 5 signals. What is 0 in there for? Because who the fuck knows? There might not be any signals for the month. Now, I've always seen at least 2 or 3 signals per month that I come back on and tested, but you never know. So that's the way it goes. Tier 2, 0 to 10 signals a month for $250 a month. Tier 3, and I'm not sure I'm going to do this if I do offer the unlimited. It's unlimited signals for $350 a month, and I'm not sure. If I do offer it, it'll be limited to 50 paid members. I'm not going to have it just for everybody to have. I'm just not going to do that. So tier 1, 0 to 5, $150. Tier 2, 0 to 10, $250. Tier 3, unlimited, $350 if I do it. I just don't want people sucking off the tit too much, so to speak, and not learning how to trade for themselves. You must understand that if I am unhappy with the AI that has been created to make these signals, i.e., meaning the signals end up sucking and are wrong too many times, I will either stop the service or modify the AI or both. To be clear, I will not tolerate or allow my name to be associated with less than an ideal product. Never. Okay? Hope you all are clear on that. Important. If you're in any paid active safety signal tier, now this is very important. You will automatically receive for free any future signals that we create other than the Holy Grail signals. This means that if I create the 1 hour, 4 hour signal for NAS, SPX, US 30 in the future, you will get those signals for free. That also means if I create the gold signals, you will get those signals for free. Also, if I create Bitcoin signals, which I plan on doing all those and more, you will get those for free. But you have to be inactive in one of those tiers. Okay? Listen, to be clear, our goal is to have an ever-growing base of signals offered. We will be starting with our only signals for US 30, SPX, and NAS 100, buys and sells. These signals will be ideal to trade on MT4, Nadex, Trademarked, Thinkorswim, or E-minis. Basically, they can be used on any instrument you like to trade with. To be clear, our goal is to eventually have signals for the following: 15 seconds, yes, scalpers; 1 minute, perfect for scalping; all other time frame ranging from 15 seconds to monthly signals; Bitcoin signals, as I said; XRP signals; Ethereum signals; gold signals; ERUSD, oil signals; and dozens of other stocks and Forex crypto signals. If you are in the $150 a month, the $250 a month, or the $350 a month signal subscriptions, when I launch any of these new signals, you'll get all the signals for free. I hope I'm clear on that. If you are not in any of our signal service when I launch any of these additional services, you'll be paying an additional monthly payment for every new signal that you want. If you are not paying for any signals when I launch the gold, you'll have to pay for gold individually. You'll have to pay for Bitcoin individually, oil, and so on individually. But if you are in the signal service when I first launch it and stay in it until I launch the gold, Bitcoin, oil, you will not have to pay extra for these signals. Sometimes they fucking say that like 3 times. Why would Bri and I do that? Because it's our way of saying thank you for being loyal to us. So instead of being greedy pigs, where we constantly are charging you, I don't know, for every possible signal, we're going to give you every signal free, except for the Holy Grail. Here's an example of a signal. A safety trade signal service AI reads US 30 SPX and azzz as a one symbol. The AI sees the exact setup that I would normally see. The AI will follow the exact trading parameters that I had programmed into it. The AI will then send out an email to you alerting you of the possible trade. B, you will then go to your charts and apply what you know regarding the safe trade system and either take the trade or not. I have rules. The rules will be exact. As far as I'm aware, the rules are perfect. Just follow them. Don't outthink them, and don't combine the signal service with anything else. You'll be fine. Always remember, you're an adult and responsible for your own actions. C, you will not get an exact entry to where to place the trade. You will not get an exact anything to make the trade. You will not get an entry price level. You will not get take profit or stop loss level either. You will either take or not take the trade based on your reading of the chart using the safety trade system. Why? Because you're an adult and responsible for your own actions. With all that being said, I fully expect the signals I send to be well over the average professional trader 64% win rate. As a matter of fact, if the signals are only 64% accurate, I'll stop them. If the signals are only 70% accurate, I'll stop them. If the signals are only 75% accurate, I'll stop them. Now, if they're 80, 85%, I'll keep them going and tweak them. If they're 90% accurate, I will keep them going, obviously. If they're 95%, which I believe they'll be 90 to 95 to 100% accurate, obviously I'll keep them going. If the signals do not go right, you do not get a refund. We are not responsible for any losses you may occur. Past results do not equal future results. Please read all the terms and conditions before purchasing. And I finished with, look, I know most of you are super excited about this. I get it, but I just don't trust AI like most of you do. Even though the AI has been performing great, you just never know if or when it'll glitch or just make some dumbass mistake. So please be careful, and please only use the service as a guide to help you make the correct safety trade. And I asked, does it make sense? All right. Next up, I'll go over the rules, but did that kind of make sense for everybody? Hold on. There we go. Did that make sense to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, or I was just rambling? You don't know what the fuck I was talking about. Da 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 da. It did. Thank you, BCM. Goodbye, college and master system. Hopefully this year, Jason. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Oh, good. You guys did understand it. I thought I was just rambling on and on. You guys didn't get it, but I'll pull it up again this evening to show you. Nice. Nice. Good. Good morning, Tim. Long them. Good morning, Tim. Good morning, El Cabano. EURUSD. What's up, Mr. X Fuzzy? Good morning. I've already called it. I can call it again for if you want. So that is the upcoming signal service. I'm telling you now that when I tell you, oh my God, that I hand back tested that thing until it was like the second week. It wouldn't let me go back any further. January on SPX and US 30, NAS only let me go back to February. When I was able to go back and check 2 out of the 3 the whole entire year last year, 100% win rate. And I know what that sounds like. I get it, but that's the fucking facts. So there you go. Take it or leave it. All right, all done with that. Any questions over the signals? I'll look at ERUSD in just a second, Mr. X. Any questions over the signals? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Ha! Look at that shit. I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now. ERUSD was and is. It's going to form another 1 minute sell stop, ERUSD. 1 minute, 3 minute sell stop, but you're too late. I wouldn't enter these trades. You should have been in, what is it, 15-minute sell to the blue line? Yeah. This is your 5th watch list right here. This is how easy it is to trade now. You guys just crack me up. It's so easier than what you guys are used to doing. You have your red, 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 green, sell stop to the blue line in the money once. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line, money in twice. Red, 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 green, red, red, 3rd time. Red, 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 green, 4th time to the blue line. Play any 1 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. That's ERUSD. If you don't like ERUSD, playing those time frames, come up here, go to the, let me see where we're at. Oh, shit. Woo! Yeah, you're entirely too late for this trade. You should have been in this 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop hours ago, whatever, it doesn't matter. 4-hour buy stop. 4-hour daily buy stop. If you don't like these sells, let it go below this green line. Put a buy stop in right here, and you'll see it go up. That's not probably today, though, as it goes. Usually those 4 hours take a while unless there's some kind of shitty news. 5 minutes. Nice, Adam. So no questions from anybody regarding the upcoming release of the signals. I just went over the rules for them. I went over how to do them. Now I'm going to go over the actual rules for them. So you guys can be like, holy fucking shit, this is too cool, Batman. Hold on. The rules. You'll be on a type form. As a matter of fact, I'm updating all rules to the type form. You'll have different rules coming up soon for normal trading on this safety trade. All right. Rules for the signals. Because you never know when the safety trade signal AI will see a trade, quote unquote, see a signal, please have your emails always near you. How often will the signals be formed? It can be anywhere from 0 times a month to over 20. The NAS 100 US 30 SPX market movement determines when that signal is formed. Obviously, you will control this. On average, I would say you get roughly 1 signal every 2 weeks or so, but some days can be 2 or more signals. You just never know. So stay alert for those signals coming through your email after you buy the service. Once you receive a safety trade signal alert, please go to your charts and verify they saw a correct trade. This is imperative, and you must do this. Let me be clear. Do not take a trade you cannot verify with the safety trade sniper add-on. This is how exactly you verify the signal. Okay, so let me go over here. I'm going to show you a cool video that I created. Fucking awesome. This morning, I went in and I was working at 4:30 this morning. Da 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 da. Let's see. Hold on. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay, I'm in my back office. Let me get over to the part where it has our videos. Nope, don't want channel analytics. All right, lives. Here we go. All right, and to be clear, I have over 900 videos. I'm only showing 300 or 400 of them, but I have over 900 of them. This is the rules video. Oops, sorry. This is the rules video right here. Da, 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 da. Hey, free and clear microwave. Look at our little ads. How to verify safetrade.com signal, NAS, SPX, US 30. What you're seeing right here is a 21-minute video that I did this morning, and it teaches you exactly how to take the trade from the signal, what to look for, what not to look for. I'm extremely proud of it for being that early in the morning. I think I actually made sense. So maybe the video will play, maybe it won't. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna go ahead and say it might not play. What the fuck? I was working on my, oopsie, on my, hold on. Yeah, there she goes. All right, and this is the training video for it. Unbelievable. I was actually concise. I actually explained the rules properly. And there it is. Oh, it is so gorgeous. Wait till you see it. You're going to die and went to heaven on that video. Usually I'm not too concise with things. Usually I'm the opposite. I run my mouth and whatever. But this time, nope. Fantastic. Oh, we almost tapped out. Let's see. Not too much there. Let me go to US 30. All right, so back to it. This is how you verify the signal when it is sent to your email. Da, 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 da. You go to your 1 hour chart. You verify that the 1 hour chart is high on the blue line. At least 2 out of the 3 indices is best if all 3 are high. So let me show you what that would look like on the 1 hour. 1 hour. Down here is NAS 1 hour. It is low, so that is the opposite of high. So we're going to go back a little bit. We're going to show you what it looks like when it first formed right here. This is it. December the 8th. How do I know? Well, because that's what I was just doing this morning. And just look at how freaking gorgeous this is. Anybody new here wants to learn how to trade. The rules state, number 1, are all 3 of these up high on the sniper, blue line? This is what the AI will be looking for. This is what you should be looking for. Number 1, you'll verify it. Yep, it is. Blue line right here. What about SPX? Let's see. Blue line is high right there too. So we have 2 out of 3. I know US 30 isn't, but that's why we're doing this, so you can learn. Look at right here. Oh, so pretty. Da, 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 da. Oh, why is it not pulling over? Da, 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 da. Huh, that was weird. Let me go back over here again and try it. Usually if I double click it, it pulls it over. Maybe not. Huh. Let me see. There we go. Is this the one right here? Maybe not. Da, 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 da. I might have to go over to my. Yeah, I do. I'm just going to swing over to the MetaTrader 4 so you can see it over there. Da, 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 da. All right. MetaTrader 4. What is that? SPX 1 minute sell stop forming. SPX 1 minute sell stop. NAS 1 minute sell stop. Place it right underneath the yellow line right here. Wait for it to come down. It looks really good on that. Let me see US 30 real quick. US 30 1 minute sell stop again. You guys are a little late to get into this, but what the fuck? If you want to try it, feel free. I always like the first times it happen. No. So we're checking the 1 hours is what we're doing right now. Yep, there it is. So let's zoom in a little bit. All right. This is what it looks like, and they're the same. It's just easier to spot on MetaTrader for me. That's all. So what we're looking at is up here. The signal rules entry to verify this would have been the correct trade is 1, blue line went to the top. 2, pink line went down. 3, well, we have to get to the 15-minute and then the buy stop. But those are 1 and 2. So what does that look like drawn out in human eyes? Price starts below. Right here. Price is below. Price went up. Price came down and formed our logo. To be a little bit more specific to you, watch. Da, 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 da. Right here. That's what it looks like. Let me pull it up down here so that you guys can see on our handy dandy 1 hour. Let's bring this down a little bit if we can. Yep. No. There we go. Let me see something real quick. Oh, another time. Nope. Let's keep going up then. I'm trying to get you to the most recent time. Another one there. Another one here. Actually, another one there. No. There it is, 12.8. Okay. So let's take a look how this looks as a real trade. We're going to make this here. Blue line comes up. Pink line comes down. The very first time that happens is always the best time. Always. So let's dissect this trade. Right here it is. Okay. So this is what the trade would have looked live to you guys as you were coming at it. You'd have clearly saw, because these are hour candles, that our sniper blue line went to the high. You can see it up high compared to what? Compared to the pink low. And then what happens? Oh, we got to get our sniper over here too. But our sniper entry, the blue line dipped along with the pink. So this will be 3. And I'm probably going to have to, hold on a second. Yeah, let me go back a little bit. I don't know if 2,000 would be enough. Yeah, I think so. Man, you'd have made some fucking money on this thing. It's incredible how many times it kept going up for you. There we go, right here. All right. So what do we see then? We have NAS 15-minute on the top. Let me go back one more set. And we have NAS 1 hour on the bottom. That's it, finally. Okay? So what do we see? Blue line arches up. Pink line comes down with it. That's your 1 hour. The next things the rules state, these are much more succinct than the other way. Price starts below, forms our logo, comes up and does that. So that's our logo right there. Perfection. Wherever this retracement is right here, meaning What is our logo? It's the back of our bull. If you're on TikTok, it's right there. But it's also in our rules all over the place. And that's what you look for. Now, watch the difference. This is how you guys are going to be just shocked and amazement. There's 2 buy stops here. The old way, you'd have just taken this and hoped for the best. Green, 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 red, green, green. You'd have made money. Don't get me wrong. It works. But the new way is, see how the blue isn't all the way to the bottom, but it is here. Watch. See the difference? This is up here. It's above. So that blue being low and the logo, watch the placement of your logos. Watch how cool this shit is. This is what saves you from making questionable to bad trades. If you don't see the logo retracement right here, watch where it is. It's out here somewhere. I think it's this one. Right. So this is it. So right here. Right here. See that? So you're not, the logo means it has to touch or go below it. The logo is right here. It's not touching and it's not below it. And on the 1 hour, you have to have that. At least 2 out of the 3. And this isn't even 1. So this buy stop that you guys normally would have taken right here is incorrect. Okay, it's also not the second leg of the W. It's also not a broken Bach. And it's also not low on the sniper. Now see, look, with the sniper crossing the pink, you're going to get your entries. I don't want to get too much into that, but that's what happens. So you can put your buy stop up here. When you see pink cross over, you know you're in the right trade. By the way, this is a lot of fucking pips. This was 140 pips on NAS that day. So you can either buy the system, fantastic, works just by itself. Get the sniper, unbelievably accurate, holding you and keeping you out of this trade, having you go into the correct trade right here. And then this is all explained very simply in the rules in the video. And it's just amazing. When you have 2 out of the 3, or preferably 3 out of the 3 form this, then you make your money. And it's as simple as that. So I know that sounds complicated, might even look complicated, but I'm telling you right now, it's super easy. And the rules are just stunningly simple. I mean, you'll love when you see the rules and how they work. Wow. Da, 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 da. Good morning, Cristobal Almas. You're welcome, Mr. Fuzzy. What's up, El Cabano? Sorry. We have about 35 minutes to market open. Yay, I'm so excited. Hopefully y'all caught that or understood that. I'm not sure if I explained that too correctly, but I'm trying to do it as simply as I can. All right, let me see if we can get any gold trades. Good morning, Aries 27. 1 minute buy stop gold. It was a 5 minute fill in the gap to the blue line ricochet trade. It's too late. Good morning, Tank Dog. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour. I'm not taking anything on gold. I don't like any of that shit. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. US 30 NAS. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, I think I'm good on those. All right, let me see US 30 real quick. Yeah. So 4 hour daily buy stop, you can place it right above the yellow line, trail it down, rule number 7, trail it down as it goes down. US 30, 4 hour daily buy. NAS, still not close enough on the daily. Better, but not close enough. SPX about to tap my ass out. Fuck. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Damn. Yeah, I can't call it. 4 hour daily buys and all. If you have your profit on these 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops, Keep taking that money. It's going to do it again, it looks like to me. Ooh, hold on. We have 15-minute touchdown. SPX, we have 15-minute touchdown. NAS. Yeah, we're not there on the US 30 yet. Let this pull back up. To fill in the gap. I don't know if we'll get that pull up. Yeah, we need a pullback on US 30. 1 minute buy stop to the 5-minute yellow or red line, preferably, forming a 15-minute sell stop down to the 15-minute blue line. I mean, it's close. I shouldn't be that picky. It's always towards the blue line. Yeah, I don't know on that. I would just wait. That's where it's going to, in case you want to know. And by the way, did anyone call that out specifically? Gee, I don't know. All 3 indices, 1 minute buy stop towards the blue line. Not only was it towards it, it hit them. 5-minute sell stop, the US 30-minute blue line, 5-minute blue line. Not only did the 5-minute sell stops go, it hit the 5-minute blue line and went to the 15-minute blue line on 2 out of the 3. My favorites are 1 hour, 4 hour daily, so it's turned into a 4 hour daily buy. Only one that hasn't hit yet. Da, 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 da. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for my mama. 1 for my. Let's go, 2024. All right, anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions, concerns? I swear, if I get any emails talking about, oh, I don't know, well, this trade or that trade, ask now. Don't email me questions because I'm about to tell Bri to block you all. This is your time to ask me questions. Don't waste my fucking time when I'm out doing other things in this world and try to ask me a trade question when you need to ask the question on a live. Or how about this? Better yet, you ask any questions you have during your advanced training at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, starting next week, by the way. All right, I don't see any questions. I don't see any concerns. Da, 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 da. We're almost at 8,000 steps this morning. I don't give 2 shits about the 10,000. Matter of fact, the other day, I think it was right at 25,000 steps I got in. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Hope this new treadmill holds up. The old treadmill was a tiny one. I give it, it was tiny. This is only a 4.5 horse power engine. I usually get the commercial grade, but I don't know. I kind of think it's just me. I don't understand why it wouldn't hold up better, but I don't think they're used to running 3-4 hours at a time. Da, 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 da. Rayshawn Warren, ask your question or email it in, my brother. If it won't show, I can't see your questions. It doesn't show. I can't help you. I can't help you. Da, 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 da. Dot, dot. That's, you can email it into the ForexSafetyTradesystem at gmail.com. So most buy BSL stops, you wait for it to form a W. No, absolutely not. Don't get carried away with that. Can I slide your notes highlights back over? Da, da, da. I don't know what notes highlights. These ones, I haven't gone over these, but that's how you actually shoot trade. Any other notes highlights? I don't know. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. What's your question, Bob or Rayshawn? Oh, Rayshawn says, so most BSs and sell stops, you wait for it to form a W. No, not at all. Absolutely not. Still follow your rules and still follow the sniper. The sniper will tell you if you're in a W or not. I'll be bringing up the rules for the other ones later. But But any rules that we have are in, you already have the rules. I mean, as far as I'm aware, I don't know. Adam. Da, da, da. Bob, what is your question? Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. Yeah, because I'm really going to start taking it personally. When you keep asking me questions on email when I'm at home, not on a live. Fuck that. I'm on with you guys an hour and a half, 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours. Sometimes I'm on with you 5 hours a day. And you can't ask me questions? Fuck out of here. I swear I'm going to make Bri block you guys if you do that. I'm not answering those questions. Nope, no time. You say higher works different 1 hour, 4 hour, US 30. No. 1 hour, 4 hours work fine. It's the 4 hour dailies that work different. What the hell is that? Huh. You say the higher time frames aren't 1 hour, 4 hours. Time frames look, well, hold on. Time frames are this, Bob. Da 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 da. Da da da. Shit. Hold on. Time frames aren't that. Here. Time frames are this. So technically the micros, the quantum, 15, 30 seconds they're a little different. But anyway, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, all work as one group. The 4 hours is a transition into the higher time frames. Then it goes 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. So the 4 hour is the one that can be in both. It's like quantum entanglement. It's the one that could be in two states at once. It's like the double slit experiment where they were watching and non-watching particles go through. And one time they behaved as what? A wave, and one time they behaved as what? So yeah. So basically the 4 hour is that. But the 1 hour, 4 hour trades are perfect. The problem comes in, the challenge comes in, that the 1 hour, 4 hours right here, if you look, this is a 1 hour. SPX is a 1 hour. Yep, 1 hour, 4 hours. US 30, oh, still holding? Some bitch. I thought US 30 broke the 4 hour. Hold on. Nope, 1 hour, 4 hour. Let me see mine on my other ones. Hold on a second. No. Interesting. That's what I thought. No. These are 4 hour dailies. Why am I not seeing the break on the 4 hour? Hold on. No. I might have updated my I probably did. That's the only reason I can possibly see this is behaving like that. Yeah, I don't know why. No, these are 4 hour daily buy stops at this point. I am very unsure of why my 4 hour blue line is not. Now, I did code some differently because I'm trying to get some other symbols to work. But I didn't think it was on this settings, though. I really didn't. Well, take my word for it. These are 4 hour daily buys. Too much stream today. Unfortunately, I just stopped by. Thank God for everything. What's up, PK? Have a blessed day, my brother. And Adam, I really don't know which notes you're talking about. Sorry. And I'm not going to say get more people over to TikTok, but we should have more people from YouTube go over to TikTok. It's the first of the year. I'm not going to be a Grinch. Wait, grouchy about it, Grinchy about it, whatever the hell it is. I'm not going to be that. I would ask you all to head over from YouTube to TikTok. Just put it on your phone. You don't have to watch it, although the sound is better, in my opinion. No. I'm going to go ahead and say that sell on ERUSD is working out rather nicely. Look at the sniper. Wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. How does your garden grow? Gorgeously well, gorgeously well. All in a row. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How does your self-stop go? We have number one, blue line down low down here. Boop. Opposite two, pink line. Well, technically, I'm going to switch this up for the new year. One is blue line down. Two is pink line. Three is sniper down. Man down, man down. Four is there a sell stop? There's ERUSD. So went right back up between the channel right here. We're supposed to do that. Watch. Right there, right where it was. Perfection. Place your entry right here on the yellow, or you can do it on the yellow red up here, either or. Yes, on TikTok we can hear your treadmill. Nice, Malachi. Almost to 9,000 steps, 82 minutes walked. I'll probably stay on to right after open, maybe another half hour or so. Maybe, I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. Da, 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 da. Not you can see it going down before your very eyes, by the way. This is ERUSD 1 minute. Sell stop. Boom. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Yes, we own that. Yes, we own that trading. Easypeasy.com. Easypeasy.com. Fill in the gap. Missing puzzle piece. Green and space fits inside of that. At first time's even better. Let's go back to that. Let's see what it looked like. First time I did it was right here. Yep. Look at it. Told you. First time's always the best time. Watch. 3 minute. Came down. 2. The pink line arched up. 3. Da, 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 da. We have the blue. That's all that matters. 4. Sell stop. Put it either on these. Put it over here. I don't know if we are. No. We went back up and just touched it. You put your entry right there. Red or yellow. I love the red. Pop. There she blows. And she kept on going. First time it did it. Hope you all can see that was the first time it did it on the 1 minute, that is. Kevin, as of right now, how much do you think you could bench? 315 for a couple. And if I train for a month, 365. If I train for 2 or 3 months, 405. I just don't bench anymore. Rarely. I do it once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Right this second, 315. And that's without any training. Probably the last time I benched was 275 I got for a couple. But I never push it. I never really strain. I don't ever want to injure myself. And that's 315 pounds, by the way. Which is nothing. I don't know why people, you can bet. One of my friends, I shouldn't say his name. At any rate, I'm very proud of him. But he's like, there's nobody in my gym that can bench 235. I was benching 235. I was benching 305 in the 9th grade of high school. So, it's good that it's a personal record for him. That's awesome. But when he starts talking about like all these other fellas in the gym that can't do it, I mean, pretty much everybody in the gyms I owned for about, 15 years, 12, 15 years. I had 3 gyms. I would say every person I ever trained with can get to 225. I'm talking about skinny, tiny little itty bitty guys, skinny little guys. I can get anyone to bench 225, like anyone. any size. I mean, you'd have to be non-willing to stress yourself not to get to 225 because in 6 months, right supplements, and not even a lot of supplements. I mean, just the right ones, right eating. Oh my God, anyone can bench 225. I mean, I can get a 60-year-old to bench 225. I can get a 20-year-old to bench. I can get a 15-year-old to bench 225. I've had women get to 225 without any issue. Tay, Sandy Dudenhofer. I have lots of people that I've trained over the years, men and women, that can get 225. It's more impressive when people can do pull-ups. That's what's more impressive, in my opinion. Anyway, hope I answered your question on that one, Jason. I love lifting. Woo! Gee, that looks like the same, doesn't it? US 30. Let's see what we got going on. There's your first time you'd have made money on that sell stop I called out a little bit ago on US 30. Made nothing on NAS, probably not even engaged on NAS. SPX, you would have made money on SPX. Let's see what it's looking like on the 3-minute. I love the 3-minute chart, actually. Oh, that's why. Came up and hit its 3-minute line. Let me see about the NAS. Oh, forgot we don't drag. Sell stop, NAS. I would put it right back there again. I would put it right on that yellow line, chase it upwards. It goes over the red. I would take that trade. Sell stop, 3-minute, US 30. NAS, 3-minute sell stop. Any more lifting questions? I love lifting. Since the summer of 6th grade, I think I was like 12 or 13, whatever that puts you at, until now when I'm 57. I lift. It's off the lifting I go. It didn't matter whether I was at college, whether I was getting drunk every day in high school, wrestling, didn't matter, whatever. I took some karate shit, wash and rye in New York City for a little bit. That's kind of a joke. I think people really underestimate wrestlers. They absolutely underestimate how good wrestling is. I went into the dojo, whatever. They were nice people, but yeah, needless to say, they're black belts, and yeah, it wasn't. Yeah. Anywho, it is what it is. Wait, how much did you weigh when you hit your PR? Those weren't PR, state records. My personal record on flat bench press is 455 pounds, and I weighed about 220. The state records I hold are held. One was at 196 and one was at 205. One was, I think, 353 pounds at 196. And that's 352.6 pounds or whatever the hell it is. I still own that record. But yeah, the most I ever did on decline was 470 pounds at a body weight of about 200. And then the most I ever did on flat bench, unassisted, no wraps, no shirts, no bullshit cheating crap at all. Just me and the weights. I think I wrapped my wrists for the state record. I did wrap my wrists, but all the other ones are unwrapped, untouched. They made me put a onesie on, like a wrestling onesie. But anywho, 455 at 200, and then 470 at 205, whatever it was, 205. But those are my personal best, flat bench and then decline bench. Most I ever get up on incline, I think I was close to around 220 there on incline on my 40th birthday. I got 405 up on incline, probably the hardest lift of them all for me to do. I got 405 on incline on my 40th birthday. I got 445 or 435 on flat, and then on decline I think I got like 455 on my 40th birthday. And that's my biggest group of highest lifts, one day. Rayshawn, I weighed 148 in bench. That's nice, Rayshawn. That's fantastic. Anytime you're doubling, which in his case is a little over 2.5 times your body weight and bench, you're elite. Boy, you're a fantastic venture. Yep. Never got 500. I negative 500 on flat one time and almost blew out my fucking shoulder. But no, never actually got 500 up. It's like a fucking house. Now then again, I wasn't on any kind of supplements. I was taking a little bit of this whey protein stuff, just a little bit of these things. I never touched any juice, never touched any supplements that are hardcore supplements. They didn't even have the fucking all your different oh my gosh, all the different shit they have today. They just didn't have it, so I didn't take any of that. That's fantastic, Rayshawn. What's up, Rasta Pusha? Rasta, pasta. People are like, what the fuck are we talking about weightlifting for? We're supposed to be talking about trading. Because rule number 2, physical stuff. I think I wrote that. Number 1 thing that helps me trade better is thanking God. Number 2 is doing the physical stuff. Weightlifting is included in the physical stuff. Number 3, I look at the H&H scanner. Speaking of which, where the fuck is my scanner? Number 4, I look at either the 1 hour, 4 hour charts or the sniper on the sniper or the rules. 5th, I look for the logo. So that's why we're talking about weightlifting. No, just because I wanted to. But it does help. Any other lifting questions? Na 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 na. How much time we got left? Oh, so about 12 minutes to market open, 13 minutes to market open. Any other questions, whether it's lifting or not? So it took me about an hour and a half to get to 10,000 steps. I don't know. That's not bad. Again, I'll go for a little jog after this when we're all done. I'll hook up what's called EWOT therapy, exercise with oxygen therapy. I'll be breathing in oxygen half the time I'm on this machine walking. If you don't know what EWOT therapy is, you should look that up. It's fan-fucking-tastic. I do cold therapy. I either do the plunge, the shower, or both. Put my face into frozen cold water or 40-degree water. Hold it in there for a few minutes. I do Wim Hof breathing. I do red light therapy while I do Wim Hof breathing. I'm trying to think of anything else physically. And then, of course, I lift. And, of course, I'm doing my cardio now. Tried that Wim Hof and got a red. Rayshawn, do it again. No, it's interesting. Nowadays, I can hold my breath with Wim Hof easy 2 minutes. I do that every day. If I had to push it, probably about 3 minutes. I don't really like to go over 3 minutes anyways. I have one of those pulse ox things where I check my oxygen. Again, this is just personally what I do. I don't expect any of you to do any of that stuff. Please don't. I'm not a doctor. My brother is. But I'm not a doctor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I do and I think what helps me trade better. That's all there is to it. Nice. The one problem is I'm doing a dry fast, and I don't know, sweating a little bit for about 2.5 hours on a dry fast is probably pushing it. I'm probably going to have to break that dry fast and take in a little bit of real Edmonds real salt with some water. Build up my electrolytes again. Don't recommend to do that. You're going to start doing nice, Rayshawn. I swear, Wim Hof breathing technique is unbelievably healthy. I love that stuff. Love it. I only do 2 rounds of it. I started with the beginners, did that for about 6 months. 10 minutes to market open. And then now I do the regular Wim Hof, but I only do the first 2 rounds of it. I just stop the video and go longer than what he says to hold. Usually I'll double it up. The first one's 1 minute, so I'll do 2 plus the 15-second hold. And then I'll do the second round, which is 1.5 minutes plus the 15-second, which is 1:45. And I usually double that. So that's about 2.5 minutes breath hold. And then I'm done. I also do that while I'm breathing in oxygen. do an oxygen converter. So I do Wim Hof with oxygen. Then I do some pull-ups with oxygen. Then I do my inversion table with oxygen. Just jumping. I have the, I guess that mini tramp thing's catching on like a son of a bitch. But I've had a mini tramp for, I don't know. They were making them 20 years ago. They're fantastic. So I do my mini tramp with it too. I'm 150 max bench 220. I can't even wrap my mind how there's lightweight species out there hit 350 strong as fuck. Oh yeah. Yeah. Rayshon's strong as fuck. 225 is fantastic, Jason. It's fantastic bench. I'm not saying that 225 isn't a fantastic bench. I'm saying my friend weighs probably every bit of 220. And the thing I don't like is when, I don't want to say this about it, but there's other people in his gym, I'm going to leave it like that, they'll like brag about it. It drives me nuts. I never brag about anything. I don't give a fuck. Oh, 455, you're bragging. No, I'm not. Someone asked. Don't want to, yeah, I'll say it. Proud of it, not bragging about it. It just, I don't get it. Just lift. You know, John's saying all the shit. My one friend's saying all this stuff, you know, about it. I'm like, yeah, okay. You know, just be happy. And some people can get it, some people can't. But I'm telling you, I can train anyone to get there. Anyone. I mean, I had country guys that were like toothpick big that could bench 225. Elwood, Jonathan, hell, he kept benching. Chris, my business partner, best friend down here, Chris Smith, he's 390 now. He's 390 pounds and has abs, by the way, 6'3", 290 pounds, so 300 pounds. And he's 36 years old. He's born 2/2/1985, so however old that is. And he got 500, if I'm not mistaken, one time. Chris is strong as fuck. And I trained him. I knew him since he was 16. I trained him since he was 16 to 36 or whatever he is for 20 years. And he is strong. Another one I trained with Jonathan Highland. Jonathan, strong as fuck, boy. Those guys, they kept training. They kept doing great. I don't think either of them have the state records, though, but Chris could have at one time. I know he could have. But anyhow. That was bad. You can do it again, Rayshawn. Mike Center, good morning. For the 4-hour daily stuff, did you keep the order open overnight if it doesn't engage? In my 20s, 52 now. Yeah. Well, I was in my 40s still benching that, and I'm 57, and hell yeah, I'm never giving up benching. Worried about getting injured. Just take your time and go slow. You're not going to get injured. Do I keep the order open? What's more important, technique or power? Technique. You have to have good form with bench. You have to have good form, perfect form. Shoulders back, tight, pulled in, arch of the back, but it has to be on the ground. I'm not one of those big archers. I hate arching. Feet gives you all your power. You push from your feet. Always your grip has to be the right grip for your body type. Mine is middle finger, middle index finger on the line, on the 45-pound bar line. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. Those of you who lift would know. Hold your breath. You always take your deep breath in. Shoulders, lats should be flared out. Yeah, there's a lot. That's how you can get the guys to bench more. Literally, I can take someone that benches 185 and get them to like 210, 215 same session. Literally, I can do that. Easily do that just by correcting their technique. Elbows in and not out. There's a whole bunch to bench, but yeah. I bench. That's impressive as fuck. Oh, look. This treadmill stopped me too. You motherfucking treadmills. Since when did treadmills have off things? It was right over 10,500 steps in an hour and 40 minutes. I ain't stopping. Why do treadmills do that now? What the fuck is that? Negative. We're going. Remember that little one I had? That thing kept turning off too. Fuck you. I'm going to keep going. You guys that treadmill better not do that shit. Yeah, both feet on the bench is even harder than having your feet on the floor. He can't get any power from that. So Rayshawn was strong as fuck when he was benching. at 145 or whatever it was, and that, yeah. So technique is more important than power by far. Look at that cheating ass fucking treadmill turning off on me again. Oh my goodness. What's wrong with these things? Well, I guess they're not commercial grade. I'm used to my gyms when we had those Monster Lifestyle or something. Big motherfuckers. Those motherfuckers never turned off. The treadmill, man, is just trying to keep you down. Trying to keep me down. What's that one song, Mamba? I love that song, actually. All right. Are we close to market open yet? Yes. 4 minutes. Here we go. Let's lock and load, peeps. Let's lock and load. Let's make some money. All right. Here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute. US 30. Sell stop. Yep. I would like it to arch up a little more, but close enough. 1 minute sell stop US 30, but arch up. I want it to come up in between this line right here. This is what I wanted to do at open for US 30. Let me be specific. I want us to form our logo here, come down here, do that, and do that. That's what I wanted to do. Will it do that? I don't know. It's been following all basically for the last several hours. Oh, 3 minutes market. Oh, better quit talking. All right. Let's get rid of that. NAS. US 30. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. Let it arch up a little first, at least over the yellow line. Let me see if NAS is over it. Yes. NAS. Sell stop. Hold on. Might even. Careful where you put it. You don't want to get sucked into NAS, but I'm going to put it somewhere around there. Okay. Maybe a little up higher, but anyway, we'll get back to that. NAS, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. SPX, I want it to arch up like US 30, then a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. If you don't want to do these, then please take your time. And let me look over here to show you what I mean. Da, 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 da. US 30. 4 hour buy stop. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'm going to trail it down if it goes down, which I think it will. Don't get suckered into US 30 and the trail down. If these are all 1 minute sell stops, which they are, then hang with the 1 minute sell stops. Buy stop, 4 hour, whether it breaks now or later, US 30, buy stop. NAS, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. SPX, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. 4 hour buy stops, all three indices. Can I be any screamy louder? I don't think so. Da, 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 da. Personally, I would like all of these indices to come down further to their yellow line on the daily. Whether it's NAS, whether it's US 30, whether it's SPX, they all need to come down and form our logo. Come up, retrace. Not a good retracement. Definitely not a good retracement, but it's daily. So there you go. We need to pull down. I don't think we're going to get it that low. For NAS, SPX, and US 30 to the daily yellow line or below. All I'm hoping for is da, 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 da. You're in the money on the 1 minute sell. Lock in profit or don't trade the open. 5 minute. Yeah, that's all we got. That's it. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. You're in the money on your NAS. Close down your money. Close down your trade on your NAS. Close down your trade on NAS. You're in the money on the sell stop on NAS. Close down the sell stop on NAS. Close it. Get out of the trade. You made $400. How do I know? I was in it. Take the money and run. US 30. In the money on the buy. In the money on the buy on US 30. Buy 1 minute. Buy 1 minute NAS. Buy 1 minute NAS. Buy, you're in the money on the buy 1 minute NAS. SPX. Buy, oh, you're too late on the SPX. You had plenty of time on the NAS to get into this buy. You're in the money on the buy. Close the trade out. US 30. You're in the money on your US 30 trade. Close the trade down. You're going to have 1 minute buy again on NAS again. If you want to do it, feel free. All right. You're in the money on NAS again. Close down the trade. I closed down my NAS. It was like 450 or something. Da, 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 da. In the money on your SPX buy. I would go ahead and move positions. Sell stop, SPX, 1 minute. Just wait for it to see if it comes back. I don't think it will, but if it does, feel free to take that trade. NAS, sell stop. I don't like it. I'm not going to call NAS. US 30. You're in the money on your buy again. Lock in profit on your buy or take profit out. Don't care which. You're in the money again on your buy. US 30. How do I know? Because I'm in it. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Welcome to the new year. Bippity boppity boo. Another $1,500 on that trade. We made $400 or $500 on the $1,700. Look at it go up. Woo! Bringing in 2024 with style, baby. 2,000 pips. Well, 220 pips. It's 0.01. That's a 40 pip raise. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. 50, 60. Do we hear 70 pips? Woo! Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. 25, 2,600, 3,000. Woo! Welcome in the new year. I saw some professional trader. If anyone gets too excited about trading, he's going to be not a good trader. Fuck you, buddy. I love getting excited. If you can't get excited about making money and helping people make demo money, what the fuck are you doing? Dude, you should be thrilled with this shit. Boom. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. Boom. Wait for it. SPX is already in the money. US 30s is printing money for us. Printing money. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Woo! 2024. Here we are. Here we go. 2024. 33 hundos. 33 hundos. 33 hundos. 30 hundos. 32 hundos. 34 hundos. 37 hundos. Do I hear 4,000? Woo! 4,000. 4,200. Woo! Fuck yeah. Don't get excited, my ass. There's your money, peeps. There is your money. It's going to tap me out, but I don't care. I'm taking that fucking profit. Are you kidding me? First of the year. Woo! Anybody with me on TikTok? Anybody with me on YouTube? Woo! 4,500. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken dinner. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. There she blows. Nice. Nice. Take that profit out, guys. Don't keep it in there. Don't keep it in there. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. Don't give a fuck. NAS, you do what the hell you want to do. I don't care. SPX still in the money. I'm going back to US 30, my dinner. Woo! Nice. 1,500 on my boom US 30. Congratulations, Sam. Congratulations, Jason. If you are witnessing greatness, says Sydney. Well, thanks, Sam, about that. People who say that are losing. Thank God for you, Kevin. Yep, Jason. For another 100 years. No, that's not true, Sydney. Everybody can trade as good as me. You got everybody trades. Tommy and hell, Heather. She's making all kinds of money. Buy the system, breathe the system, let system be the system. There you go. Winner. Amazing starts in the US 30. Azar flashing money signs. Great morning, says Larry Cooper. What fun is this? JSMB, you'll get heavier with your bench. I caught that shit perfectly. Holy. Nice, JSMB1. Nice. Good morning, Metal Mind. Happy New Year's to you. We just made we were up 40, so we're up 80 pips. I hope it goes down and takes my profit. I can care less. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and call that a victory. Anybody at all would like to ask any questions, feel free. If not, I strongly, and I mean strongly, recommend you buy the safety trade system for you or for your family or for your loved ones. Go to theSafetyTrade.com and buy the system. Buy at theSafetyTrade.com, $575 for the year. It's only available on TradingView at this time. Sorry. We're working our best to get it back on the MetaTrader 4, but MetaTrader 4 is acting up like a motherfucker. So TradingView it is. It's all you can renew it on too. Don't ask for anything else. You get to renew it on TradingView. That's all we can offer. SafetyTrade.com is what you get. Okay? Now, if you want to go ahead and get other things, feel free. You can get I didn't even show you the rooms, the scanner rooms, the H&H scanner. I talked about the signals, but I didn't show you the signals. Gold, blue line touch. Clayton De Sosa. What's up, Clayton? Says, wow. Beautiful, says Metal Mind. Joanna Webley says, morning, Kev, this is awesome. BEA, beautiful. Gold, blue line touch. We can check that out. Buying tomorrow, says Guy, man, dude. Nice, Guy. You're going to start your year off with greatness, my brother, I hope. This is fun. What a nice morning. Oh, don't get excited about it. Don't get too excited about trading, says the professional dickhead who only fucking looks over other people's charts. Fucking moron. Come on my show. Talk to me, Mr. Professional. Tell me about how your support and resistance loses 99% of the time for the average retail trader. Come on, buddy. I challenge anyone to come on here and debate my system with me. Come on. Come on. Don't be shy. You can call in anytime. I've had an open call in for 2 years on TikTok and over a year and a half on YouTube. Feel free. No one's ever called in. No one. Come on. Call in. If you're a hater, call in. If you're a doubter, call in. I'm standing here every day on my treadmill, walking. So I blew up my treadmill. But yeah, come on. Feel free. Kev, they will lose their asset. Yeah, that's why no one ever calls in. Fidge, what's up, Fidge? Who set them off, says Jaron Paul. No, this is just me. I love doing it. Robel flashing money signs. Congratulations. Oh, Sam's saying gold. Let me look at gold real quick. No, I don't need no one to set me off. I'm just thinking back to when I was watching a TikTok and some fucking pompous ass dude in a suit was critiquing. Oh, blue line touch. Perfect. Was critiquing. Let me go to gold. The trading view. Was critiquing some other kid who's learning how to trade and doing a good job. I mean, you can't really win with support and resistance. That's what he was using. But the guy, the professional quote-unquote trader, was ripping him. I'm like, get the fuck out of here, pompous ass. No time for fake-ass people like that. 30-second. Nope. 15-second. I'm just checking out gold smaller time frame. Buy. There it is. Buy to the blue line. Yep, it's a 15-second. Let me go down to gold over here. You're so ballsy. Come on. Come on, bro. Feel free. Join the big boys. Join the big boys. Join the big boys. This is a 15-second, 1-minute buy stop to the blue line on gold is what you just witnessed. Took the sniper sell on US 30. Nice, Sam. Buy the system. I know, trading blind. So no one set me off, Jerome Paul, but welcome. All right, anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm going to go ahead and go. Head over to YouTube. YouTube, any questions? Because then I can really go off on YouTube. I can't do it here. Da-da-da-da. Da-da. YouTube, any questions? Da-da-da-da. Da 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 da. All right. God, I hope I don't get fucking taken out. Buy stop 1 minute to the blue line gold again for the second time. Ricochet. All right. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? That was fun. I think we were on for about 2 hours. That was nice. Na 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 da 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 na 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 na. All right, I gotta go because I got too much shit to do. I got to work on all that signal stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. God bless you all with a happy New Year's. That was a blast. 1 minute buy stop. Gold to the blue line, baby. You said buy something for our NAS, right? 4 hour and all three, but let me take a look. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Not when you're in a cell. You got to respect the cells. 1 minute even. 5 minute, 15-minute sell. Do what you want. Remember, we were waiting for the 5 minute sell stop to engage. This one to do exactly what it did. That's what we were looking for NAS. Remember I drew out the little symbol? I don't know if SPX did that. Let's see. Da da da. Yep, SPX sell 5 minutes in the money. Da da da. Da da. Sell stop. US 30 5 minute. Feel free. Da da da. US 30 5 minute sell stop. Gold 1 minute buy stop. I called the NAS and the SPX. I drew it out for you guys, but you know, doubtful y'all took it. So 5 minute sell. Now let's go up to our 4 hours. What do we have? Oh, you can enter off the 1 hour, by the way, or the 4 hour, whatever you prefer. Yep, nope, perfection. 4 hour buy stop NAS. There's the proper line. What the fuck was wrong with that thing earlier today? Yep, 4 hour buy stop, not as good. SPX, 4 hour buy stop. I think NAS is the best out of this group. But the problem comes in with NAS is we don't have the daily. Da 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 da. We don't have the daily. Who's asking Metal Miner? Somebody hold down enough. This is the problem for this buy stop 4 hour daily. It needs to do this. It needs to come back towards the yellow line more than it is. You can take the 4 hour buy stops on US 30, NAS, and SPX, but I'm telling you, I'm not going to touch another buy, not the long-term ones. Remember, I just got in and out of those trades real quick until this comes back down to here. So there is a sell stop 5 minute. I would honor that on US 30 and just wait. Wow, sell off blue line. Perfect. Take it. Right, I'm going to wait. Okay. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you do something with some of those trades. I have no idea. Got to run. God bless. Have a good morning. Lord willing, I'll see you this afternoon. Afternoon. Let me lower that down a little bit. Da 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 da. All right, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. See you this evening. God bless. Da da da. That was fun. Holy fuck. That was fun. Da 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 da. Da.